ke motho ya tsebang diphahlo tse ntle ntate ka tla motho wa mona o apere jase e ntle fela ke boela ke bile motho a tsamayang mabenkele a mangata haholo ha ke so e bone ka ga lebenkele ska tshoswa ke batho ba nang le tšhelete ba ka gore dr a ga o potela ba tsamaya ditulo bonyeng ke batho ke o tseng le bona le bo mogema bana ke dithaka mmogo kaofela o na kena mmabathwana e no atho wa mona nna kena St James e mmabathwana e sentse na le computer ulale St James is na computer le ke matha ke ya ka mmabathwana go lo penya computer ka mono ke ya ona nang go diswa a go ska nna ke ya di isitse ngata secretary is going to school is o ska ke ya di is o me tla me jana ka di is tse pedi sentence ke o pola motho wa bona na motho aka ene ja go le betso le bala go una batsang go ya sentence construction ke ona ke no bo be ya primary ke le bona o tlile batho ba bo prep foundation that's why ngwana ka a mogolo ala kena American school ya ba ke a montsha e se ka bakala school fees because American schools are patala 24,000 per quarter and like it's nothing Again, someone like a mono, one who does papa, 25,000 the papa. I got another more African and a mono. We see the Montessori. Montessori is not that bad because you are like 26 or 2000. No. Hopefully, I get Kalamona, it's a mighty poo. It's a send off where we celebrate a life. Of course, but I'm rejuvenated. That's the case. Megatlo e teng kwano hle e seng family bond mogatlo megatlo e ka banyeteng